Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke. If you guys are new here, let's turn up the brightness. Today's video is going to be just a vlog, so welcome back. If you guys are new here, welcome, subscribe. I am starting off this vlog with impulsively dyeing my hair. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work, so it might be a flop, but it's like worth it. I'm gonna do like a little review, I guess, of this brand. This is called Overtone, and this is the pink for brown hair coloring conditioner. It's not a permanent dye, I guess I should say. It's like a semi-permanent, like it lasts for a few washes. I'm gonna actually take off my necklace because I don't want that to be like stained. I just put on this t-shirt. It's just like an older t-shirt. I mean, I think that the dye is gonna kind of get on it. I'm gonna use a stained towel and stuff, but let's just go through the directions together. It's literally 11 a.m. on a Monday. I mean, on a Friday, and I'm just like losing my mind, I think. So let's do it. Literally just opening it up. I already got some on my hand. So we're gonna take this slow, but look at this vibrancy. I purposely chose a color that was like pretty vibrant because obviously you guys can see my hair right now. It is pretty dark. I'm gonna just try it over my whole head. What do I have to lose? I'm not like seeing anybody or anything. Obviously I'm here in my apartment. I don't really know when I'm going home. I'm waiting for a few packages and things like that. I'm not in like a huge like I want to get home obviously, but I want to make sure everything's taken care of here. You guys can go watch my last vlog to see like what's really going on. They gave me a glove in there. I paid for this, so I guess everybody gets gloves, which is really nice because I just got a little bit on my hand and it already stained. This is gonna be messy. Let's read. Using gloves, apply evenly to dry hair. Wait 10 to 15 minutes and rinse thoroughly with warm or hot water. Use weekly to keep color fresh. Let's just go in. Do I like section off my hair into sections? I don't really know if I should do that. I kind of want to just do it over my whole head, and if it's bad I could just put on more, and if it's really bad I could just rinse it out. I feel like that's like the whole concept here, and I feel like it's not going to stick as well as I'm thinking it will, even though it's for brown hair. And I just combed out my hair, so I think I'm losing my mind, you guys, a little bit. I know that I am losing my mind, so please no one comment about it because I know I am. So we're just gonna go in and do this, please. No judgment. See, it would be different if I was blonde, because if I was blonde, then my whole head would legit just like straight up be pink. But like, I think this is just gonna create like that pink tint that I feel like is cool. And I feel like it's gonna be good for my hair, you know, low key. We're gonna work our way up. Wow, it smells really good. It smells like really minty and fresh, if you guys are wondering. I'm literally just like running it through my hair. I'm gonna put the most on the bottom, I feel like, and then I still want to do it at the top though, but I don't know if I want my whole head soaked in it, but we're gonna let the product decide because this is kind of crazy. Oh, I just got some on my neck. I feel like this is like a fun activity to do in quarantine if you're also losing your mind. Like, why not just dye your hair and take some pics with it dyed, you know? And if it looks really bad, you rinse it out. My hair feels really soft and smells really good. I'm just going in with a lot right now. I gotta evenly put it on the back too though. If I do end up going home in like 2 days and I have my hair legit pink, my parents are gonna be like, are you okay? And honestly, I'm not okay. I am okay, but I think that each of these containers, by the way, is like $25, which I actually don't think is too crazy bad, considering that you get a lot of uses out of it. And I guess we'll see how long it lasts, you know, like if it only lasts for one wash, that's kind of a rip-off. But ooh, big L, big L, big L. I have to get like the back evenly too. I feel like this is kind of, but it's like you're really just like throwing it over your whole head, you know. I really don't know. I watched like one video on this actually. It's gonna really be on my neck and stuff like that for a sec. Hey Siri, hey Siri, hey Siri. Oh my gosh, is my phone actually okay? Hey Siri, start a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes and counting.
And I'm gonna do an extra amount on the ends. I'm never gonna be a hair person. I think today concluded that. But honestly, let's just see what happens. Just jamming to music now, waiting 5 more minutes, I think. I will say that my sink is like pink and stuff. I did see on one girl's video, she said it's gonna, like your shower and stuff probably will be like tinted that color, but it will wash out because it is a temporary color. It's really accentuating the red underneath my eyes. I can't wait till I put on makeup and do the whole full look and then I look better. I have pink a little bit everywhere though, so I'm gonna have to scrub a dub in the shower. I hope that there's like some result because I'm not even like barely seeing any right now, and I put a lot in, so keep that in mind. But my hair's pretty dark, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, this is the finished result. I posted it on my Instagram story and TikTok. Considering I have dark hair, I am impressed. I mean, you guys, my hair is really dark, and this is it. You can definitely see the pink like tones in it. Here, when I get even closer to the light, you can see it more. So if I was like outside, you could probably see it. I think it's fun, just like a little change. It's not like a crazy dye. I also put on makeup for the day. Maybe I'll take some pictures with my hair or something later. Don't really know what else is in store. Oh, Danielle and I just had a call, and now we're going to podcast. So we're very excited. This is going to be a really interesting episode, I think. Go check it out. It's probably up by now. Also, it kind of dyed my, whoa, look at it from this angle. It's like purple when I like stand right here. Ooh, I kind of like it. I need to find a good outfit to take the pictures in. It kind of dyed my hands a little bit, like they look like they're really red, so just keep that in mind that it will tint your hands, even if like I use the gloves obviously, but it still will, so keep in mind. All right guys, we are about to pod with the gal. I don't think they can hear you because I already have my headphones on. We're getting after it. Gals and Go Pod, link below. I just got some hair products via PR, very exciting. These are the John Frieda Wonder Drops. They have these things and like they sent me their whole volume line. I'm actually really excited to give this to my mom because she's been doing her hair at home and like she needs like a blowout spray and stuff like this. So I feel like she'll really benefit from this. Even though, because normally she just goes and gets her hair done. So when I go home, I'll bring these for her. And then Uwe, I think that's how you pronounce it. Don't harass me in the comments, please. Gave me their detox shampoo, which is really good for like cleaning out. I think you're supposed to use it like once a week or something. Big hair day. Recorded the podcast with Danielle. I have some laundry going. I don't know how long I'm gonna be here. I think I told you guys I'm still waiting on some things to arrive, but maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, I'm hoping. I don't really know, it's fine. I still have to like pack up my car and everything, so it's gonna take me like a minute to get everything together when I decide I'm gonna do that. I actually have enjoyed being alone the past few days just because I've been able to get a lot of stuff done, which is really nice. I just cut myself a piece of the cake. If you didn't watch the last vlog, Lolo Estrin, the birth control brand that I work with, the birth control brand I take, sent me a cake. I'm literally eating a huge slice of cake from my like dinner. It's 4 p.m. mood. I don't really know what to do right now. I had such a productive morning and then now I'm like, what? Okay, update. I just talked to my manager for YouTube. I thought that I had more important packages coming here for stuff, but I think I got it all. I think I have everything. My thing is I just want to make sure that I have everything because I'm not coming back here until I'm moving, basically. I think I have everything pretty much in order, like to the most of my control. So I'm gonna go home tomorrow morning, back to Long Island. I mean, I know that it's like kind of controversial, like going back and forth and stuff, but I really haven't interacted with people. I did go grocery shopping and like a few things, but I've been wearing my mask in my building and I feel healthy and everything, so I'm just doing the best that I personally can. I am going to now start packing up my car because I might as well. It's like not raining or anything. Is it supposed to rain tomorrow? Hopefully not, because driving in the rain sucks. It's not gonna rain tomorrow, at least. Let me check. Yeah, let's get it. Okay, I'm gonna pack up my car. I'm watching Dead to Me because season 2 just came out and I really like season 1. Honestly, I'm so thankful that a show that I've already watched is out because you guys might actually get this. Starting over with a brand new show is such an investment in time and I just haven't found something that I've really liked recently. Yeah, I tried a bunch of new shows. I couldn't really get into anything, so I'm really excited to watch this. And for dinner, I just made this flatbread from Daily Harvest. I didn't know that they did flatbreads and then they sent me my box for a sponsored video that I did with them, I think like the last video, and it is really good. I just had like a little small bite. And it's artichoke broccoli. I don't think that they do cheese because I'm pretty sure it's dairy free, but I just thought it would be yummy. I'm not like starving. I had a piece of cake before just randomly, so I love myself. Also, I just realized I never told you guys where this set is from. I've worn it in other vlogs. It's from Urban and I will link it below, by the way, just because I feel like I'm gonna get questions. So comfy. I have it in the blue color too. I definitely prefer this one though. I left my DIY, like the bleach one at home, which is probably for the best because I'm going home again anyway, so I'll be able to like wear that again. But I feel like this is like that, but a little more chic, a little more like socially acceptable. I really like the fit of the sweatpants too. I think that they are super comfy and like they're not too big. I think the sweatpants come in 2 sizes and the sweatshirt is 1 size. So just keep that in mind. Doing laundry. And it's getting dark, so I'm gonna turn on some lights. Still watching the show. Flatbread was super yummy. Would definitely recommend. Daily Harvest and like delivery things are just so perfect for this time because who wants, I mean, like it was great to go to Trader Joe's, don't get me wrong, but just going to the grocery store is still kind of spooky in my opinion. Like if you could avoid it, you know? All right, good morning. I've been driving for I think like an hour, way more than an hour. What am I saying? 2.5. This is crazy. I'm in this, I always see such random stuff when I'm driving. So I stopped at this Chick-fil-A in Connecticut. I also just stopped for gas. But other than that, it's just been really smooth sailing. My car is obviously, you can tell, packed up. I just brought everything that I could quite possibly need for the next month and a half. Probably month and a half, honestly, because basically the next time I go to Boston, I will be moving my stuff. So I did leave like sweatshirts and things like that because I started to pack them up because I was like, I'm not gonna need all of these sweatshirts, but I wanna move them. I don't know, so I just did that. But look at this, someone hit, I'm in Wallingford. I've never heard of this area. Let me know if you guys are from here. Someone hit this pole and now it's like on the ground. And I just saw them as I was like pulling in, like they were like looking at it and stuff. This is, I don't even know how someone hit this, but they like, I think it's like a light pole because there's like another one right here. Isn't that so random? I think I'm just gonna get chicken minis and an iced coffee. My hair doesn't even like look pink in this lighting even. I guess a little bit when I like go, yeah, when I go like there. I'm just wearing this cute like little set. It's, I don't even know if they sell it anymore. It's from Free People. Here, I could take my purse off. I guess I don't need to have that on. It's a jumpsuit. I think I've showed it to you guys before. It's a jumpsuit and then like a little sweater cardigan piece. I love it. Yeah, I'm really excited. The line isn't too bad. Every Chick-fil-A line I've been in so far in quarantine has been astronomical, but not this one. I'm in a really good mood. I'm excited to go home, excited to see my fam. Do things this weekend, I guess. I mean, nothing crazy. Like what am I actually doing? But look at this spread, you guys. First time back.
Ooh, get that steam, girl.
Oh, my mom made bread. Look at the, you see the steam. That looks so good. I am having a sweet potato chicken. We have a little Capri Size salad. My mom is here. She's back. I know everybody missed her so much. And my dad.
So nice. And hold on, Daddy grilled some chicken.
People were saying that they were sad they were gonna miss the family content.
Oh, it's back.
All right, I am home as you guys saw from before. I'm in the cutest zip up sweatshirt. Highly recommend. So much better than when I tried to make tie-dye. I think that there's better ways to do it. This is from Cami the brand. I think that she just has like a Instagram shop. Is that what we want to call it? I don't know, but I love how it's zip up and I love this blue color. I think it's so pretty. This is a large, by the way. So yeah, I posted this on my Instagram story and I said, if you guys have businesses, I would love to maybe do a section in a vlog, like ordering from you guys' small businesses and stuff. So if you have any, let me know. I think that could be a fun like little segment to do, supporting your small businesses and things like that. Cause I know that a lot of you guys are putting out really cool stuff and you guys DM me all the time with your businesses and I love supporting you because I think that's so dope. Especially during this time, like channeling your time and things into something productive and doing something for yourself. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. And that's kind of gonna be like the focus, I think, of this chapter of like the second half of quarantine for me. I kind of came back and honestly, it is so good to be home. I feel really recharged and like, as weird as it sounds, like going to Boston, being by myself, I realized I'm not missing out on anything. And it kind of like, it's weird that I had to go there to like come to that realization, but honestly, like I did. I had to go there and realize, Brooke, there is nothing going on in the world right now. Like the world is literally at a standstill. You're not missing out on anything. And I was just like alone and sad. And I was like, I might as well just go back and be with my family like what everybody else is doing. Not everyone, obviously. I know that like many people are quarantined alone or with friends or in their apartment, like whatever. For me personally though, I do just feel better being around people, especially going through periods of sadness and stuff like that. Like I just know I need to be with my people here. So very thankful that they warmly accepted me back. Of course, they're the best. I just wanted to say that. And like this second half of quarantine, I'm gonna really try to go into it with that positive mindset and just being thankful for my health, being thankful for my family, being thankful to live in such a beautiful home. And now as the weather is starting to improve too, I think that it's going to be great to be here because I'll be able to sit outside and read. And I just told my parents, I was like, I just want to like have the second half of quarantine like truly be for me and like focusing on myself because this is the time to do it. Not that I haven't been focusing on myself before, but I've just been kind of wasting away the days, you know, video games and sadness and whatever, but I'm like, it's time to just do something for me. I brought home my iPad. You guys might not even know that I have an iPad. I do. I want to start reading more and I'm charging that right now. I'm about to hop into bed though because I just want to rest, get a little good night's sleep in, but I will continue the vlog tomorrow. Thanks for sticking with me. You guys are the best. Oh, also I took a shower and the pink washed out even more. I got some comments on my TikTok like, the pink is probably gonna last longer than you think, Brooke. A lot of it rinsed out in the shower today, so I'm assuming after like 1 or 2 more washes, it's pretty much all gonna be gone because I mean, look at it. Here, I guess I can get closer so you guys can see, but like I barely even notice it anymore. It's still definitely there, but like barely. I mean, I also just let my hair go natural, so yeah. I didn't get everything out of my car yet, so I didn't even really bring in like my suitcases and stuff, so I'm just in like some gray sweatpants. Quarantine mode. But I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you all tomorrow, and hopefully you'll have a good day. It's gonna be so beautiful outside tomorrow. I'm excited. Happy Mother's Day. What would you like, Mom? All right, good morning everybody. Next day. I'm literally in my same outfit from last night because I still have all my clothes in the car, and I'm gonna go take a drive to the Dunkin' drive-thru and get a coffee. We had started the day off with my mom. Oh, you can kind of see the pink in my hair, I guess, again. It's definitely there. It's Mother's Day. We started the day off with my mom. Had a little Mother's Day bagel breakfast, I guess. But I'm just gonna go take a drive. It's gonna be a beautiful day, and then I'll sit outside probably for a little bit. Then we're gonna go for a walk later. It feels good to be back in the swing of things. Also, my brother just informed me that the stay-at-home order in New York just got extended through June 6th, I think. School and everything was definitely canceled, but June 6th is like a while away because it's May 10th today, so that's another month. So I am actually very thankful that I went and did everything because it just makes me feel a little bit better, I guess, knowing that I took care of everything, that I went up there and that like I'm not, like everything's good. Back with my lovey. Hi. I picked up my skin so it doesn't look great, but we went for a walk before for Mother's Day. Just ordered some sushi and my parents went to go pick it up. Back in the bleached set. Back where I belong, truly. I'm about to play Animal Crossing for the first time in weeks because it is Sunday and I'm giving myself that grace. Just having a really pleasant day, honestly.
Thanks, girl.
For delivery.
Wow, I really appreciate this. How long was the Starbucks line?
Really, really long. I like your tank top. Who got that for you?
Oh, that would have been my favorite daughter. I never say favorite child.
Oh. Oh, he's on right now?
Who? Cuomo? Yeah. But we'll be watching it later.
We're back on the chopped salad gang. I'm very excited to be back.